Hello guys, hope you guys are doing absolutely well. For last few lessons, we only discussed about tags. It's quite boring, right? So today, let's start something new. But before starting the video, I want to say something. Don't skip the video. And if you like the content, please feel free to share with your friends and family. Okay, now let's get started. Today we discuss about how to make a registration form using HTML. For that we need some tags to know about. Number 1, form tag. This basically used to make a small form like structure. Number 2, label tag. This basically used to mark any input field with any label. Number 3, input tag. This tag is used to take user input. And the last but not the least, number 4, button tag. From the name, you may understand its work. It is used to create button. Okay, so basically these 4 tags are mandatory, but we can use some more tags which we discussed before. So let's start coding by opening the editor. We use Sublime Text Editor because it's easy to work with. The link of the editor is below in the description box. At first, let's visit what we have to make. So here the output looks like a small registration form. We write the name here. We can write the age, the email, and the password. So let's try to make it. Okay, first declare a form tag to make the basic construction. Now, within the form tag, first apply a label tag as name. We basically add 4 fields here, so we need 4 label tags and 4 input tags. Now, after label tag, apply input tag and let's set the type of input text. Now save it and open in browser. So just look at the outcome in browser. Okay, so here come our first field. Now just copy paste it for 4 times and change the name of the label as age. Now we change the name of the label as email and password. Okay, now save it and run it once. Here's the outcome. So we are done with our 50% work. We can write the name here, the age, email, and the password. Okay, everything is okay except the password because it is visible to all, but we have to hide it. Okay, don't work, let's jump editor again and change the input type of password field to password. Save it and let's run again. So yes, now it's working. Now we are left with a button and few styling. Okay, first add button tag and just right click within it. Now save it and open it in browser. Now that's almost done. Now just add some space between the fields. For that we can use BR tag after every field. Okay, now it's done. Just add a heading. For that, we write H1 tag and within it, write register here. And our registration form is ready. You may add more fields to make it more beautiful. We just add a center tag to align it centered. Now we save it and open it in browser. So here we see the outcome. And the last one, we need to add a background color to it. For that, we write BG color as our background color and we keep it to cyan. And now we save it and open it in browser. And that's our output. If you want it to work properly, we have to add JavaScript to it. So, okay, then give me some time to prepare few more stuff for you. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe our channel and do comment below that may help us to improve our calls. For latest update, visit our Facebook and Insta page links are in description and to get interesting templates, visit our website Bunker. So that's all for today. Bye bye. Have a nice day.